Hi sir. Hi Nana. Okay, today we'll discuss the new topic carboxylic acids is completed. Now today we'll discuss amines. Okay, amines. Uh, okay. So carboxylic acids over. Today we will discuss amines topic, right? So amines. Uh, these are the derivatives of ammonia, alkyl derivatives of ammonia. These are alkyl derivatives. Alkyl derivatives use of ammonia. Alkyl derivatives of ammonia. Okay. So in this, if in the ammonia, if one of the hydrogen is displaced by the alkyl group, that is called primary amine. Okay, 1 degree amine, primary amine, right? So if two alkyl groups are displaced by three out of three hydrogens. If two hydrogens displaced by alkyl groups, so that is called secondary amine. Secondary amine. Okay, now and for three alkyl groups are substituted by three hydrogens. Okay, now then that is called tertiary amines. Tertiary amines. Okay, so alkyl amines, if you see, there are three types: primary amines, secondary amines, and tertiary amines. Primary, secondary, tertiary. Okay, so primary amines, secondary amines, tertiary amines, right? So in these type of amines, these are alkyl derivatives of ammonia. Alkyl derivatives of ammonia, right? So amines also classified into two types. So that is simple amines. Simple amines. Simple amines mean alkyl groups are same. Okay, na? Alkyl groups. For example, here secondary amine తీసుకుంటే NHR, R dash, R dash are same. In simple amines, R equal to R dash, dimethylamine, like that. Okay, so mixed amines. Mixed amines. Mixed amines mean R and R dash are different. R is not equal to R dash. Okay, R is not equal to R dash. Different, right? So the amines types. Okay, now. So next if you see, there are one more concept. Tertiary, quaternary ammonium salts. Quaternary ammonium salts. Quaternary ammonium salts. Quaternary ammonium salts ante nitrogen is surrounded by four alkyl groups. Four alkyl groups. Okay. So for example, if you take ammonium chloride, okay, NH4Cl. This is called ammonium chloride. Okay, ammonium chloride. Okay, now same way, these four hydrogens, if displaced by four alkyl groups, okay, now they are called quaternary ammonium salts. Quaternary ammonium salts. For example, here plus X minus. This is a quaternary ammonium salt. Around the nitrogen there are four alkyl groups are present. In such case, nitrogen get positive charge and another anion is present. So this is a salt. So quaternary ammonium salt. If you take here chlorine, quaternary ammonium chloride, quaternary ammonium, like that. So example, CH3, 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 Cl minus, nitrogen plus. This is a tetramethyl ammonium chloride. Tetramethyl ammonium chloride. Tetramethyl ammonium chloride. Okay. So this is quaternary ammonium. Next to generally aliphatic amines. Aliphatic amines. Aliphatic amines mean RNH2 for example. Okay, now this is R. R is methyl like that. Okay, now this is aliphatic amine. Okay, so in example ethylamine you can take. This is ethylamine. Okay, and aromatic amines. So if you take just benzene ring, okay, this is aniline. This common name is called aniline. Okay, na aniline. The name is aniline. This is called aniline. And the third, uralkyl amines. Uralkyl amines mean the NH2 group, nitrogen is attached to side chain. Okay, now this is uralkyl amine. So this is phenyl methane amine. Okay, this is our benzyl amine also you can take. Okay, phenyl methane amine. So this is also called phenyl methane amine. Okay, so these are the types of amines, right? So now see, so primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine. Okay, so in this amines లో టైప్స్ చూసుకుంటే so you see this is a primary amine. This is also primary amine. This is also primary amine. These are all primary amines. Primary amine mean NH2 compulsory. NH2 compulsory unte that is primary amine. NH unte secondary amine. Only N unte tertiary amines. Okay na? So this is 1 degree primary amine. This is 2 degree primary amine. This is 3 degree primary amine. Okay, 1 degree primary amine. Okay, because this carbon is secondary. This is 1 degree. This is 3 degree. So this is 2 degree primary amine. Okay, this is 3 degree primary amine. Primary amine అంటే చూసుకోండి, primary amine must be containing NH2 group. Okay, primary amine అంటే primary amine containing NH2 compulsory NH2 function ఉండాలి. Secondary amine అంటే secondary amine that is having NH group, both side alkyl groups. NH ఉంటే secondary amine, NH2 ఉంటే primary amine. And tertiary amine mean N is attached to 3 groups. N is attached to 3 alkyl groups. If N attached to 3 alkyl groups, that is a tertiary amine. If NH is attached to 2 alkyl groups, 2 side alkyl groups, that is secondary amine. If NH2 is present, that is primary amine. 1 alkyl groups, 2 alkyl groups, 3 alkyl groups. Okay, primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine. Okay, so these are all our primary amines. కాకపోతే ప్రైమరీ అమీన్ NH2 ఫంక్షన్ ఈజ్ అటాచ్డ్ టు 1 degree, సో 1 degree ప్రైమరీ అమీన్. NH2 అటాచ్డ్ టు సెకండరీ 2 degree, so 2 degree primary amine, 3 degree primary amine. Okay, take screenshots. Amine, common name is isopropyl amine. Okay, so methane amine, this is a second example, that is IUPAC name is 2-propane amine, alkane amine anali IUPAC system lo. Common system isopropyl amine. Okay, so these are primary amines. Take secondary amines. So secondary amines. Okay, secondary amines compulsory 2 alkyl groups both side, CH3. Okay, to this common name dimethylamine. Okay, common name is dimethylamine. But IUPAC name, if you see, IUPAC name is different. So one methyl is present on nitrogen, N-methyl methanamine. One is become parent. This is a parent. Okay, one is parent and alkyl group is other alkyl group is a substitution. Methyl methanamine. Then methyl position is N. So N-methyl methanamine. N-methyl methanamine. N-methyl methanamine, right? So I will give one more example. If I take this, okay, so దీనికి కామన్ నేమ్ వచ్చేసి ఇథైల్ మిథైల్, ఆల్ఫాబెటికల్ ఆర్డర్, ఇథైల్ ఫస్ట్ నా, సో ఇథైల్ మిథైల్ amine. But IUPAC name, so this is become parent. Okay na, parent. So here parent, why more number of carbons along with nitrogen is parent. More number of carbons along with nitrogen is parent, and less number of carbon is become substitution. This is a substitution, equal to substitution. Then where is the position? Methyl present on nitrogen, so N-methyl. Now it is ethanamine. N-methyl ethanamine, right? This is the case of secondary amine. Okay, I will give one more example. Okay, so this is a diethylamine, common name. Then IUPAC name I am writing. IUPAC name is, one is parent, one is substitution. N-ethyl ethanamine. And the common name diethylamine. Okay, diethylamine, right?